welcome back to Science for Kids. Today, the experiment that we're going to do is relevant to Rapid City's weather. Guys, we had a snowstorm today. So, the experiment that we're going to do today is called rainstorm. The things that you need are water, shaving cream. Guys, make sure it's not gel. A cup, and a cup with colored water, and a spoon. Now, pour half of the glass with water. Now, let's add the shaving cream. Now, spread it evenly. It's so soft. Now, just a minute, guys. Let me wash my hands. I'm back, guys. Now, take the colored water and use the spoon to add it. Guys, I added almost 20 spoons of colored water. It's because I added a little bit more shaving cream. Guys, do you know how this works? Guys, let's pretend the shaving cream as clouds and the colored water as moisture. When we added the colored water into the shaving cream got heavier and heavier. So, the colored water falls from the shaving cream. It's the same principle with rain. Let's pretend the shaving cream as clouds. Guys, when the clouds get filled with water, they get heavier and heavier. So, they can't hold the water. So it falls down as rain, snow, hail, or sleet. Guys, do you want to see how Rapid City's blizzard looks like? I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Science for Kids. Thank you, and Nandri.